Hey, I feel like I haven't like one-on-one with y'all in a very, very long time. But Vlogmas, I'm just so behind, y'all. Like, y'all just don't understand. Life been life and work been working. And it just hasn't felt like the perfect time to be vlogging, but we're here. So I'm about to go. Y'all know we do the same thing. It's magnets, and I got some other stuff. So y'all already know the deal. I'm about to go get my toes done. I need to go make groceries. I need to I made a Sephora order to go pick up something from Sephora. And then I gotta come home, clean my house, but I'm also gonna do my nails, do my eyebrows, change my wig because my birthday's next week. So I'm gonna do all that. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go get some gas. I need to go to the dollar store. So the first thing I wanna do actually is get me something to eat because I'm starving. So I wanna do that. And then, well, I'll probably go to the dollar store first and then get me something to eat. I don't know. Basically, I'm on a strict budget. Let me tell y'all. Because, yeah, I'm going to show y'all. Excuse my room. This is like basically everything that I have to get and like pay for. I want to make sure that I'm being very, very strict and strategic. I'm so mad because I told y'all like once a month I want to start investing in my perfumes and stuff like that because I love to smell good. Like I love it. So y'all know I had just bought a new perfume called I Am Her, like Forever Mood or whatever. Tell me why I dropped it. Trying to put this bottle back on the shelf. Dropped it, busted it all over my floor. So I had to order me a brand new one on top of getting a new fragrance for the month because I just like to get a new fragrance for the month. That's what I gotta go pick up. And I gotta get some other pick-me-ups and stuff. So I just said I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we're just gonna do like a pre-birthday maintenance. Slash like hygiene shopping type of video. I mean, we do one every month, but hey, it's my birthday. So, as they got a little fatter. All right, come on. Let's go, because it's already after 2 o'clock, y'all. I was just sitting on the couch for a very long time. I'm so tired of being a strong, black, independent woman, bro. I don't know if y'all have gotten a new iOS update on your iPhone, but you can now take a video while your music is playing. I love that update. Other than that, I don't like the update. Like, my camera roll looks so weird. And, like, when I'm trying to edit a video, it just looks weird. Like, I be scared I'm pressing the wrong thing. Baby, what y'all doing? I be scared I'm pressing the wrong thing because, like, it just look weird. That's the only thing I don't like about this new update. I am starving, so I came to Zaxby's to get me some food, just something quick, so I can go to the nail shop and go get my toes done. Because, why does my gas do that? My gas is so weird. Can I get a Zax snack? Frozen strawberry lemonade. And can I get my fries and chicken extra crispy? Anyway, girl math is get that man that work number. When you don't want people to have like your personal number or anything, and mind you, I have 2 numbers. I never give out my second number, and that's probably what I should start doing, but it's still like the number will come to my phone. So I be giving people, like, this lady stopped me in the grocery store last week, or was it last week or a couple weeks ago? I don't know if y'all seen my last vlog, but I think I probably cut it out. But like, she stopped me about like some Mary Kay stuff or whatever. Girl, I gave her that work phone number. Like, I be feeling like people just scam. So I get them my work number because you gonna scam the state. We listen and we don't judge. Thank you. I love people that get your food too fast. Like, yes, girl. When Jay had came to town, we was eating Zaxby's a lot. Y'all want to buy it? how they burned a hole in it. Hi, y'all. So I'm stuck in traffic. Freaking Atlanta traffic. Which is crazy because I've never been in this type of Atlanta traffic before. Like standstill, I've never been in it. I went and picked up my Sephora order. I got some Dolce & Gabbana. I feel like this is gonna give grown and sexy. I love a good grown and sexy scent. I don't know, like I'm in my perfume era. Am I over here by my job? Cause I could do a little rerouting. Look. I know it smells good. Oh, please. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. Grown and sexy. Just like I like it. They say it's a spring and summer scent, baby. Mandarin, rose, and vanilla. It smells clean, like. But it also gives me like a church vibe. But it smells really clean. Like you just threw some fresh sheets on the bed type clean. That smell clean. That's a fresh out of shower type of. Yeah. That's that shit'll get you a baby. I love a scent like that, but FTM. Them kids. But yeah, y'all need to go get this. I'm gonna put y'all on. I think I wanna do a separate video on just like perfume scents that I really, really love. Because every time we go on a maintenance day, I'm building on this perfume. It just smells so clean, like. Okay, I'm about to get back to jamming while I'm stuck in this traffic. I've never been stuck in standstill Atlanta traffic. And right now I'm kind of appalled. Hey. So I just got back to the house not so long ago. Changed out of my clothes. I'm about to go to the store. Because I was supposed to have did it yesterday. But I'm going to go today. I look cute. And then I got on a homeless looking outfit. But yeah, I need to go make some groceries. I think I'm making some chili tonight. I was going to do a separate video on that. But I guess I'll just put it in here. Because this is just a cute little vlog. I had a lot of fun out there with Tayshia's daddy. I'm not going to hold you. Now that I'm older and I'm getting a lot more comfortable with myself, I used to be one of the friends that be like, yeah, no, he's scared of it. But yeah, like that's me now. And I was like, I'm so proud of me. That's crazy. Okay. Y'all know we're gonna go to Aldi's. Damn, I don't even know what I'm talking about no more. Okay, bye. Good morning. So I just pulled up. I just pulled up to the wax place. I'm about to give me a wax. It is 9:15. My appointment is at 9:30. But I got here kind of early. Traffic is so bad. I'm dreading going back to work. Or going to work because I ain't even got to work yet. Let's start there. So I'm about to go in here and get this wax so I can go to work. But they be like, oh man, Henderson. They say folk already look for me. I'm like, damn, bitch. Damn. Y'all can't go one day without looking for me, huh? The fuck? I was trying to call the dealership back home. Calling because my car couldn't stop. But now open until 8:30. I'm sorry, I'm starving. Which is 9:30 my time, so yeah. I need these 2 crackers. Because I was going to stop at McDonald's, but I was like, no, I'm trying to do better, so let me just give me some crackers. It's been a minute since I got a wax. I don't know. Every time I get a wax, I just be like, ugh. That shit hurt, man. All right. Let's go there. This shit. I already know I be going to Ivana's. Yeah, and I always get Ivana to be my waxer. Like, she talk you through it. Just like your nigga talk you through it. Like, she be talking me through it. We just be having conversation. She just be ripping. So, love it here. Okay, so, I'm about to get my wax. Okay, I'm back. That lady damn near took my coochie off, y'all. Like, for real. That shit hurt. But my coochie is nice and pretty and bald, but dog. Oh my gosh. This is why I don't come on a regular. This is why I come like... But okay, let me get to work. Because it's 10 o'clock. I said I'd be there about 10:30. It said I got an ETA of like 10:30, so... Not calling. I don't call them folk. So, let me go ahead and get on to work, y'all.